Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to unbox my Fabbag for the month of February 2018 and I'm going to show you what all I received. So this month's Fabbag is this white colored pouch with pink colored hearts printed all over it, which I think suits the Valentine's month. There is one product which was outside the bag and inside the carton. It's a 100 ml sized milk and honey shower gel from a brand called as Purple Essential Naturals. Now opening the bag, the first product that I see here is a bath salt. This is a bath salt which is again from the same brand, Purple Essential Naturals. It has peppermint oil, almond oil and olive oil. This is what the bath salt looks like. It looks like it has a lot of oils in it. The next product which comes out of the bag is a face scrub from the brand Fabbag. It's the White Tea Rose Deep Pore Cleansing Exfoliating Scrub from normal to medium oily skin type. This is how the face scrub looks. It looks very creamy in texture. The next product which comes out of the bag is bubble wrapped. This is a nail polish from the brand Ayushi. It's in the shade 117 and this comes in a frosted glass bottle. So this looks like a pastel pink colored nail polish. I really like the color of this. The next product which comes out of the bag are these two face wash sachets from a brand Acne's. These are the whitening face wash. This says smoothen skin, whiten skin tone. I'm not going to use this face wash as I'm totally against the concept of whitening products. The last thing is again bubble wrapped. I think I know what this is. This is going to be the foundation from the brand Nelf. I had chosen it as the makeup choice of the month. This is the HD foundation from Nelf. It's in the shade 01. I'm not really sure whether this is going to be a perfect match for me. It looks a little lighter, but I had chosen my shade as per the description that it had shown online. Do let me know if you want me to make a first impression, wear test and a review sort of a video for this. Finally, I get these two cards. First one shows about how to participate in my Fabbag contest. The second one says the prices of all the products. The Nelf USA HD foundation in the shade 01 HD Natural is a full-sized product worth Rs 800. The Major Crush by Ayushi Pure Matte Nail Lacquer is a full-sized product worth Rs 199. The Purple Essential Naturals Bath Salt is a full-sized product worth Rs 450. The Fabbag White Tea Rose Deep Pore Cleansing Exfoliating Scrub is worth Rs 172 for 50 grams. The Purple Essential Naturals Milk and Honey Shower Gel is a full-sized product worth Rs 594, and the two sachets of the Acne's Whitening Clarifying Face Wash is worth Rs 5 for each sachet. So the total price of all the products is 2225. The Fabbag is worth Rs 599 for 1 month, and when you make a longer subscription you end up saving even more money. So that was all I received in my Fabbag for the month of February 2018. I would be reviewing all the individual products on my Instagram, so do follow me there. And if you want me to make a full review video on any of these products, do let me know. I'm planning to make a first impressions and review video on the Nelf HD foundation. So that's all for this video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Until then, bye.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.